It is true. It is true. I am standing here to talk to you about a paper towel dispenser from Tork. More Tork. Anyway, this thing is so cool. Nikki has replaced the standard old paper towels with this fancy machine here. You see how quickly and easily I opened it up. Let's see how quickly and easily I can put paper towels in it. All these important things that your husband needs to be able to do. And if your husband can do it, then the machine passes the test, right? I can even do reverse while I'm talking to you. Just simply put it there. Start this. Whoop. Got a little excited there. Start this. Close it. Look how pretty it looks, and they feel so good. Automatically feeds the next one. Yeah, that's it. This is ridiculously cool. It also has like a suction cup thing on the bottom. Hear that? It doesn't stick, but it's definitely there nice and solid. Yeah, if you're looking for a great update instead of the old-fashioned paper towels, this is a great way to go. Yeah, I would recommend some more Tork. Tork. Hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.